just having some more Ford Focus fix some fun here. This I don't know its name, some type of link here, cross link, fits right down in here. Anyway, you could take the tire and move it kind of front to back diagonally, and car was getting a little shaky on left hand turns because I guess it was steering by this back wheel. But so snow finally decided to melt, and it's about 40 Fahrenheit today, so I decided to fix it. This front one here, or this inner one, is like nuked, moves all over the place. The other one's still relatively tight, but anyway, so what I did, because I live in the Rust Belt here, I got my brazing torch on the nut, burnt the nylock out of it, and anyway, I'll get the bolt here. There we go. Still a little bit warm. The bolt's fine. Unlike most of them I try to remove on this car, they're like totally rusted in. These two decided to come out. You can see the other one, it's almost like it's got the GM silver treatment on it there. So if you're doing this job, do not hit that nut with heat, because it's got nylock in it and it's actually like welded or fastened to this piece. So because I burned the nylock out, I'll have to back it up with a second nut so it can't unscrew, which will probably mean me using an extra long bolt, a new bolt basically. So if you leave the nylock in it, you should be okay. And they actually both unscrewed really easy. I hit them with the release all first there, or some type of penetrating oil, and they were both really user-friendly to come out, which is very unusual for this car. I see a similar setup right here with this looks like welded washer welded on or what have you. I don't know if that was that way from the factory, or the guy on this car seemed to like to weld stuff. It's not me, it's a previous owner of the many. But anyway, like I say, even this one, you do the same thing. I maybe throw a little heat on the bolt head, I don't know, but penetrating oil everything you can, and you might actually get lucky and it'll come right out. So that's that. So we're putting this new one in here right now. I'm putting a little bit of anti-seize in the holes on it there. But so hopefully the car will drive somewhat better after that. It's been real windy lately, and the car's been, well, a bit of a handful. So I'm thinking this might have been the main culprit, but we'll see. But the old girl's hanging in there, survived another winter, so glad to see somewhat spring-like conditions here now. As you can see, the snow's pretty much gone. I think I got the last snow right here. Oh, it went. My monstrous pile from the roof was right here. It was like 4 feet deep at one point in time, but even it's gone now. So, and my well, tulips and daffodils are coming up here. Yeah, look at those daffodils. I know I've seen tulips up front too. There's tulips right there, those guys. I'm surprised the local rabbits haven't mowed them off. I know the one year they did. We had all these leaves for tulips and no flowers. But anyway, yeah, so back to fixing the Focus, and I'll probably do oil changes too. So nice to get outside, get some fresh air, and not be trapped indoors making all those Hot Wheels cars. So everybody have a good one.